On to the next section, which is another type of financial protection. So I know it's mostly been talking about insurance and the fact that you can insure against almost anything to protect your family, education, health, critical illness. Actually, one question I see here: when you're how soon can you claim on a critical illness policy?
There's no limits on critical illness, or life insurance actually. All of the insurance that we talk about are, because they're fully underwritten, which means that you have to go through an underwriting process with the insurance company. They would issue you with what we would call terms, which is where you're offered terms of acceptance from the insurance company. Once you accept those, then that policy is in force. So you can make a claim in 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. That would be, they would call it an early claim, but it is a valid claim, so it would pay out. So what they would do, what happens then is they evaluate the information, and then they would pay the.
So in your experience, you're thinking of families who need the money, whether it's for education, the significant, breadwinner has passed away, school fees are due, it's June, September. How soon?
Would you get the money?
Won't quote you, but yeah, exactly.
Yeah, very quickly, because what they require, certainly with life insurance can pay out in a matter of 2 to 3 weeks. It is super quick. So once the claims process is that you would phone up the insurance company or phone me, and we would phone the insurance company, which we've done for clients. And then you make a claim. They ask for a copy of the death certificate. And then that's it, really. It's a really quick and easy way to be able to make a claim. The life insurance is very quick.
And I should just add to that, I know we've said several times, it's written in the trust, so it doesn't form part of the estate. There's no need to wait for probate to claim, get the life insurance, payment. And that, some families is a lifesaver that they can actually claim that very quickly, because probate can take months. So at least they have some funds in the meantime.
Yeah.
So the final part of our talk this evening is on savings and investments as a means of protecting your family and protecting yourself. So as I mentioned earlier, very recently, I'm a co-founder of Wealth8, which is a mobile investment app. It's in the App Store. It was launched in the App Store about a month ago. And through this mobile investment app, the idea is to let clients have access, very easy access at very low entry point of £8 minimum to investing in global funds, at the moment managed by BlackRock, who is the world's largest investment manager. The whole idea is that, we'll be increasing our product offering, but you have 8 different funds at the moment, cautious, moderate, aggressive. We've got ESG funds as well, paying out a range from, say, 3 to 5% on a cautious fund to 10 to 15% on an aggressive fund. And with the funds contain a blend of different products, whether, equities, shares, bonds, whatever it is that makes them balanced. And you leave BlackRock as investment manager to balance the portfolio. All you do is download the app, access it, put in your details, and select your fund. At the moment, we're really only available to people with a UK footprint. You've got to have an address in the UK, you've got to have an NI number and a bank account. And it doesn't mean you have to live here or be tax resident here at all, but if you have all those 3, you can actually access this. We're going to play a very short demo video just to show you a bit more how to use the mobile app if you do decide to download it. we're going to sort of close this evening's talk, and thank you all very much for being here. But I'm hoping that you've been able to follow all the discussions this evening. And by all means, if anybody has any questions, you can send me an email. I'm happy to introduce Naomi for anyone who wants a one-to-one session to sort of talk through their options. I mean, no commitment whatsoever. Naomi's there to help. And definitely, you know, again, if anyone's looking at investing, saving and investing for themselves or for their adult children, just to keep them off on that necessary road to financial independence, I think Wealth8 is a good solution.